Let's talk about the word sapot today. If someone says, "Uy, hinahinay, gisapot baya na siya," it means the person is not in a good mood. Not in a good mood. Gisapot, not in a good mood. And if someone says, "Saputun baya na siya," it means the person is moody. Saputun means moody. Again, remember the words, gisapot, not in a good mood. You can say, gisapot ko, I'm not in a good mood. Ayaw ko sa muka. Don't annoy me, don't bother me. And then the other word is saputun. Saputun means moody. Saputun siya means he or she is moody. Saputun ko means I'm moody. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. For more bite-sized lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!